Alright, so welcome to this video. My name is Matthew and this is Ifly Studios. So I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall WordPress. Probably you installed WordPress or probably started this project and all of a sudden you just want to start all afresh. You want to just uninstall the whole thing and start from the beginning. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do. Alright, so basically this is WordPress and I'm going to show you how to uninstall WordPress. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your hosting provider and you want to navigate to cPanel. So I'll be using Namecheap for this. So I'll just go to my cPanel under my dashboard that is under the name of my domain. Now you want to make sure you're clicking this or you just want to go down and look for WordPress or search WordPress on the search tool. Make sure you're clicking on WordPress Manager. Now you notice I have three installation of WordPress. So I just want to take out this. Alright. So what you want to do is click on this drop down and make sure to use uninstall, not remove. Uninstall. So just click on it and click on. So the thing is you want to be sure that you are uninstalling the right WordPress, because once use is gone, it's gone. You can't retrieve it back. If you notice, we are removing our directory, our database, and our database user, which is the three major things that makes up the WordPress. And once you delete them, you can't get them back except you request for a restoration of your backup from your hosting provider. But if you're using Namecheap Stellar Plus, you'll probably be able to do that yourself. But that's another talk for another day. So just make sure you click on remove installation and click on OK. And voila, you have successfully uninstalled WordPress. So if I go back to WordPress Manager, I won't be able to find it again. And if I go to that site, it will be empty, just showing index. All right. So thank you. If this video was so helpful to you, do well to click on the bell icon. Do well to subscribe to my channel. If you're seeing this on TikTok, do well to follow me. And I'll catch you in the other video. Do well to also share. And if you have any question, leave it in the comments below and I'll be able to respond to that.